Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to use Crunchbase for systematic lead generation. Start by creating a Crunchbase account and completing your company profile. Verify your email and connect LinkedIn to unlock richer company signals. Set search alerts for funding, acquisitions, and executive changes you target. Use saved lists to organize prospects by industry, region, and funding stage. Integrate Crunchbase with your CRM via CSV export or native sync options. Prioritize companies with recent activity and match them to your ideal customer profile. Use advanced search filters to find companies by industry, headcount, and revenue. Add funding amount thresholds like 000, 000, and filter by funding rounds. Filter for recent funding dates to capture high-intent prospects within 90 days. Use keyword searches for technologies, patents, or problems your solution solves. Combine filters with Boolean operators and exclude unwanted categories to refine lists. Export targeted results and enrich them with company emails and phone data. Save complex searches as templates to run them weekly or daily for new leads. Turn saved lists into outreach workflows using your CRM or email platform. Personalize outreach by referencing funding events, hires, or recent product launches. Limit first emails to one clear value proposition and a single call to action. Follow up 3 times with varied messaging and add value each step. Use metrics like open rate, reply rate, and meetings booked to optimize sequences. Enrich contacts with Form 1099 data or company size before final qualification. Regularly audit your pipeline monthly and remove stale leads to preserve outreach capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.